Merhaba arkadaşlar. Today we will learn some adverbs of Turkish language and also in English language. Now let's move to some examples of adverbs in English language. Yes. First is always, second is usually, third is frequently, fourth is sometimes, and fifth is never. These are examples of adverbs. Now we will learn their Turkish language. Before starting lesson, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Now let's move to our lesson. Always, daima. Usually, genellikle. Frequently, sık sık. Normally, çoğunlukla. Often, çok az. Sometimes, bazen. Occasionally, ara sıra. Seldom, nadiren. Rarely, seyrek. Hardly ever. Hemen hemen hiç. Never, asla. Now let's repeat our lesson again. Always, daima. Usually, genellikle. Frequently, sık sık. Normally, çoğunlukla. Often, çok az. Sometimes, bazen. Occasionally, ara sıra. Seldom, nadiren. Rarely, seyrek. Never, asla. Hardly ever, hemen hiç. Our lesson is ends now. See you soon. Görüşürüz.